Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 setups for today. So, public holiday yesterday, nothing really went on, going sideways. We do have a bit of structure quite high up, and I think it's important to put this bottom bit of structure in here. We'll get to those two levels now. One thing to note is, look at our oscillators, they are extremely overbought. So I'd be a little bit cautious about jumping in long there right now. And if you look at the two levels, I mean, they're pretty clear. It's 54.95 and 54.50. Now, 5,500 is obviously what we should be looking at at the moment. So that's kind of where we are at the moment. We'll get down to lower time frames. Sorry, before we get there, pay attention to oscillators here as well on the 3-hour. Extremely overbought. So the trend is very strong to the upside, but we do want to see some kind of consolidation / pullback before we start getting too excited. Now, when we get down to the hour, we do have quite a bit of structure here, and I just want to get some of the levels in. So obviously the key one, 54.95. Then you have 54.86, and then you have 54.77. So those are all levels that we do need to be paying attention to. And the reason why this is, why 54.77 is an opportunity is, you can see there's a fractal, and then we have gone past it. So it has brought it into play. So again, oscillators all over the place here, but to be expected after public holiday traffic from yesterday. I would be interested in longs at a retest at any of these levels. I don't think we're going to get all the way down to 54.50, but there are some gaps down there which I haven't closed, so you need to just keep that in the back of your mind as well. So 15 minute, when you drill down to the 15 minute, you can see pretty much the same picture. I would just pay attention to my oscillators now. Do you have a daily gap? I strongly suspect we're going to come to 54.95, and then we would look for structure. What you're going to be looking for is pin bars, inside bars, and engulfing bars off one of those levels, and you're looking for a move to the upside. There is a measured move in play, and this is the first measured move. Which is probably first rejection area. That'll be a 55.16. Just bear in mind we're at 5,500, which is a big round number. So a break through that, we would expect price to come back and test it as well. So you need to look at that level as well. But I think for me, pull back into the range before the public holiday, or even a wider range, and then a break would be something I'd be paying attention to. Okay, anyway, so that's kind of my view for today. Long it is, just looking for a retest of structure before we get in on the action. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.